So, hello guys! We're going to play Roblox with my friend. He's recording too, like me. So, if you guys don't know yet, Dave Aaron Lagao is my friend. Oh, look! My friend is playing the strongest battlegrounds. Wait. Wait, guys. Don't listen to this, okay? Don't listen to this first. Hindi ko alam kung dito ba kayo yung 3. Pwede ba tayo doon mag-join? Oh, I think it's a public server. Wow. Join? No. Wag na. No. We won't do that. Instead, we're just gonna play strongest battlegrounds in my server. Join me. I'm good. Where have you been? It's been 43 years. I like that. So yeah, guys, if you can see, I am Gojo. Yuri Stinkai. I haven't even got the crab boss. I haven't even got the crab boss. Haven't even beaten the crab boss. Guys, sorry for the noise, but it's raining here. It's raining here, guys. So yeah, let's do infinity. Oh, there he is. Are you recording? You're recording. Yep. Come on. Turn your voice up. Not just. Hello. You is Denkai.
Oh, that's loud.
You is Denkai.
Now turn to poo.
Wait, I'll. Do you want me to summon the crab? No. No cooldown. Okay. What else? No attack, no fatigue, no ragdoll, no cooldown, no dash cooldown. Let's go.
Let's go to the crab boss.
Yuri Denkai.
No, come. I can't move.
Let's go. I'll summon the crab boss. I'll be martial artist. So it's fair.
Yep. No, pakalakas yun. 200%.
Yeah.
Plus.
I'll summon the crab boss already. I'll summon the. Wait, where's that? Oh, there you go. The crab boss is gonna spawn. It's the crab boss. The crab boss has awakened. Where's the crab boss? Oh, there's the crab boss.
Okay.
There's the crab boss.
Oh man. Cannot move again.
Wait, what? You can't move. Oh, the crab is stuck. Never mind. The crab isn't stuck.
Yep, I see the crab. I shall see
Ow.
it out.
Come here. Oh, bro's doing the laser.
Anon!
What was that?
Anon! Aray! Grabe ako. Wala na, patay na.
Ow! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. Oh man, I died. Let's do it again. The crab boss is coming for us.
Hello.
His tablet is very, very loud.
Yep, the crab boss has been disappeared.
Wait, where did the crab boss go?
I just see him right here.
Wait, where did the... Oh, there he is.
Oh yeah.
Head first.
Oh.
Ow! Ow. There you go, there you go, there you go.
Aray, gusto mo dito ko.
Wait, where did I go? Ow.
Dito pa rin.
OMG, I'm so laggy. I'm lagging!
lagging! Sobrang lag!
Oh! I want on top of the tree. I'm on the top of the tree.
Oh, you're not on top.
Ow!
There we go.
Oh my gosh.
Vomiting.
Thought you can escape from me? No. You think
Ow. 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 I'm dead.
It's time for the dragon's descent. Dragon versus crab. I'll do it with the
I'm lagging.
Earth splitting strike. Okay.
Oh,
An arm.
the weakest dummy has died.
There you go. Twin fangs. Ow! That hurt.
Oh, the weakest dummy has sent to fly.
Oh my gosh, there he goes, there he goes.
Oh, perfect Samsung.
Norm. Grab! Uy! Wait, what the?
I'm lagging, Brad. I'm
Wait, what is happening to the
Mockingbird.
crab? Yo, what is happening to the crab? Yo, what the heck? What the heck is happening to the crab?
Pinapalipad kay friend.
Wait,
Yung friend mo si pinapalipad ko.
wait, that's my other favorite friend.
Yep. Pinapalipad ko lang.
The crab was. Yo, the crab is following me. Yo, help, the
Ow.
crab is following me. Yo, why is the crab getting closer? Yo, it's lagging, the crab is lagging. Mr. Krabby is lagging, Mr. Krabs is lagging. Guys, Mr. Krabs is lagging. Oh, ow.
I'm lagging. I'm stuck.
OMG, like shoutouts.
Ow. I'm gonna die.
Come on, we are getting closer to the Mr. Krabs.
Oh,
Come here, Mr. Krabs.
inano ko ng weakest dummy. Suntok ako.
Wait, what? You got punched by the weakest dummy? How? Oh, the new update. That's very rare. Wait, you got punched?
Yep.
No way! I'll hit you with my metal pan.
Nakita ko siyang gumanon sa harapan ko, tapos ganoon ako.
Wait, no, that's the new update. That's very rare. Oh my gosh, you got it, man, you got it. Congratulations.
Oh, you dead.
I'm gonna die. Yo!
The crab is dead. It's going back. Bah. Yo. Let's jump.
Yo, why can't I press my block? No, I can't press my block. No. Yo, I need to reset. No.
Hindi mo ganun logo.
Yo, why am I lagging?
I'm lagging.
I keep pressing.
Na-stuck ako. Save. Na-stuck ako.
No. Oh, no. Oh, no.
We're
Reset.
We're lag. Right.
I can't press the shield. Yo, we need to
Wait
rejoin.
for 7 seconds before reset.
I need to rejoin. Rejoin. How about we play another game?
Hell no. Okay.
Row 63 and wait, you play this. Row 63.
Ah.
No way, you played this game. I'll join him. You join me. I'll join
Mamatay
Kevin.
ka lang dyan dahil sa NPC. Na,
Come on, join me. Join me. I'm so lagging right now.
Get your lag. Francois! Francois! This is a real one, God.
Okay, I'm here. Wait, why did I die? So we got virus laboratory, testing
No
block,
reaction, was it?
storage. What do we do in this game?
Ito, testing back.
Oh, so this is.
Pupunta
Oh,
ka sa
there's
ano?
Kevin.
Hindi, pupunta ka sa aray! Pinutoy ako naman.
Kevin, I'm recording. Yes, buddy, I'm recording, man. I'm recording. Oi, let me inside.
Aray!
I died. I died.
We died. I cannot see anything.
Wait, why is my screen black earlier? Oh my gosh, my screen went black.
Testing block. Virus lobby.
I'm recording. Yes, I'm recording. Hey, let me inside.
Pwede ka dun sa PO.
Hey.
Ako dito. Public lab.
This is public right now. P? What does the P do? Hey.
Ito.
Wait, what? I didn't know there's. Say hi to the camera, I guess.
Random. Okay.
Yeah, say hi to the camera. Hi, viewers.
Broken. Ano? Disable. Paano maglagay?
Nothing there. Yeah, nothing there. So we got random. What's the Hilala? What is this Hilala? What's the Hilala? Yo, bro, can you tell me what's a Hilala? Yeah, what's that? Oh.
Paano maglagay ng ano? Wait. Oh, no. Ito na. Ano nangyari ka sa akin? Ano?
The game
Hindi
is
mo
named Row 63.
Hindi mo alakad. Leave!
I'll grab some viruses. Yo, let me out.
I need...
What?
Let's do some infections now. I will.
Wait, y'all. Wanna play infectious smile? Wanna play infectious smile?
Ow. Okay. No. Oh my.
No.
Ow.
Alrighty. Join me if you want.
No.
We'll be recording. I'll still be recording for like 2 hours. 5 hours. 6 hours. 24 hours.
1 hour.
Come on, I'll join you, buddy. I'll join you. I'll join you, Mr. Dave Aaron Nagaw. Okay, you ready? Oh, dang it. Where are you? Oh, there.
Play game.
Dave, there we go, Dumbo. Hey!
The shotgun is here. Yeah.
Shotgun?
Yep.
Yay, yay, shotgun, shotgun. Let me grab shotgun. Grab shotgun. I don't care, I don't care.
The lava is flowing.
There you go. Yay. No, the mountain rumbles. OMG, I'm like so scared.
I died.
Oh, no, yo, G. Hindi na ako makakalis. The mountain is collapsing. Namatay na ako.
Now we go.
Sayang yung shotgun.
Sayang nga eh.
Sayang, kakainis.
Woo! Bonjour, pagkakas, walking, ting. Now I'm driving my dog, ting, ting.
Ching chong ching ching chai chi fai.
Now I'm happy, go, ting, ting. Now I know that was nice. Oh, now there are cars.
Lightning McQueen.
I almost died from my McQueen.
Yes, I made it.
Let's get the part.
Yes, we're gonna protect this
You're
place.
first. Problem 2. You guys in milk and oils.
Wait, but how about for bad song? Problem 1, you're completely bald. Problem 2, your shirt is the same color as your pants. Problem 3, I forgot. Ano ba yan?
Problem 3.
I forgot. I forgot. We are the protectors of this base. We will not get infected. Bo, doon ka sa kabila.
Just give it there.
Bo, punta ka sa gilid na gilid. There you go. We are the protectors of this base. We make sure that no infecteds will come here. Alright, this is taking so long. I meant really, this is taking really, really long. No, I meant really.
I'm doing slots.
Wait, meron daw secret, meron daw area, meron, my gun, napansin ko na.
I got slots.
I see a gun.
I see. Oh, you almost died, buddy.
I almost died.
Wait, I see a gun there.
Yeah, we need to get
You
there.
heard an explosion.
Nakakatakot.
Oh yeah, I don't want to come there. There. Oh. May axe.
It's cold in here. There must be some apples
May
in
axe
the
doon,
atmosphere. Knife ba kaya? Knife yan eh, knife. Kutsilyo yan,
Pwede mo yan kunin?
Yeah. Pero mahirap.
It's cold in it.
Woo! It's cold in here. There must be some apples in the atmosphere. I said, ooh! It's cold in here. Oh. Epic save. Ang hirap naman neto kunin.
Oh my god.
This video will be over 1 hour, so yeah, keep watching.
I almost
Okay,
died.
nice. I hate this.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I almost. I hate it.
No. Just kill me. Yeah, smack me. I said smack. Kill me.
You're not gonna die, bro.
I'm gonna die. I promise you. I am looking.
My bat is gonna be dead.
Why did you bring a bottle?
I cannot.
Yep. Zappy. Nope, you're not getting away. Never mind. Few sticks.
I almost died. Wow, that's a beautiful dog.
I died. Yay. Eat. I want a soda. Do you think I'm a genie? Yes, you're the genie. There's some random genie named
I cannot die from the...
Mike Wazowski.
Ow! I died from the car!
Mike Wazowski.
Automatic death ka na, Ayasin. Sa kotse.
No, you're not.
Yep. Yeah, yes, you are, dude.
I found an axe. Mayroon akong hatchet.
Yeah, meron nga. Yan kayo nahanap sa daanan eh.
I got the What is this area?
Don't tell me.
Shotgun! May shotgun dito! Bo! Look! Tingnan mo! Bo,
Yung
tingnan
oven
mo!
hatch.
Oh, shotgun! Yo, no way! Shotgun! Shot at a gun! Be
We
careful!
already have a shotgun.
Be careful! We're gonna get infected.
Let's go! Instead of the knife, we got shotgun in.
Hatchet! Hatchet! I have hatchet. I got hatchet. I got
Let's go.
the axe. We don't even need the knife. We don't need the knife. No, that's so scary. Look, it's a system.
Oh, it's raining.
Bro's dancing.
Walang nagiging ano.
The mountain rumbles. The mountain rumbles. The mountain rumbles. Are you ready to rumble?
The mountain is collapsing.
Get out! Get out! Ew, that was close. Yes, I made it. Of course, I made it.
The hatch and the shotgun. We have shotgun.
Shut the gun. Infecteds will go there. And we got cold. We got the cold ice. Yo, this is the cold potion. Bo, tara dito, Bo. I'll get the cold potion. I'll get that cold potion. Never mind, I think I can't get it.
Nasaan ba yun?
Sa loob.
No?
I need to be very, very careful of
I don't
This
wanna.
is so risky.
I don't want to be.
Yo! Oh, I'm inside. Yo, do it now. Yes, there. Where's
Oh,
that?
you're nice.
This is actually just infected potion. I'm getting cold. I'm getting cold.
Yep, I cannot move. Ow!
Namatay na si Bo.
Please don't take my gun. Oh. My man, my shotgun and my hard shot being disappeared.
Womp womp. Hi to the camera. Hi.
Made by Jack.
How viewers?
Oh no! Yeah, infected.
I have hatchet. Babatuhin ko to sa mukha mo. Yung hatchet, binabato pala.
I just get.
You got speed potion? You got speed potion?
Spirit in my head, it won't go. Oh my god! I'll go to my head.
Why is it very... Wait, ba't ang bango? Amoy ko. Girl! Girl! Girl!
Ow.
Girl! Help me! Thank you! Salamat po.
Nagda-dance na yung isa dito, basic.
Si Kevin yan. Friend ko yan eh.
Kawin.
Kevin!
Alam ko.
Minions. So, how do I put this?
Saan
Put
yun?
dispenser here.
So, and
So,
have this.
no. I do not even know how to put this thing.
Hi.
I do not know how
I just
to
turned
put
to
this
Elmo.
thing. Hi.
Hi.
I did it. I did it. Yes. Yes. I did it.
Wait, oh, yeah, damn, oh, yeah.
Henry Stickman. It's been a few years since the Henry Stickman never updated and it's already dead. I think. Kevin! What is blood doing now?
I don't know. Oh, it making it faster. Oh,
Oh, you heard an explosion. What explosion? How loud? How loud is the explosion?
from this. Nandito sa ano natin. I'm going to my head, it won't go.
Spirits in my head that they won't go. I got guns in my head that they won't go. Spirits in my head that they won't go. Very lumang TikTok. Bro got too many items. He has guns. He has a katana. He has
Steve!
knives.
Kala ko kinaklap ko niya.
Grabe ka. Grabe ka naman sa clock. Oh yeah, so sorry guys from the distraction. We are Filipinos. And this
We just
Kevin,
talk English.
we just talking English. So all of the Filipino viewers there, yeah, hello po. Magandang umaga po. Magandang hapon po. Yeah.
Mama just broke it. Spirit in my head, it won't go.
Look at this guy. This guy is so cool. He's so cool. Ah.
Toto, you're alive. Ow. Dahil sa init ng ano niya. Yung si Sa, di ba?
Ha?
Hinayakap niya si Taco. The mountain rumbles. Dan, 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 dan.
Nandito pa rin sa akin yung mga items ko. Wait, why did you put that? Where's the other hand?
Yep, is here.
Enchanted. Bro became stronger.
I'm enchanted in my hand.
I'm enchanted than him. Oh. Oh.
Oh.
The water.
Ay, tubig! Phew, that was close. Hopefully you made it. Save. You said how far you
boyfriends.
Just know I want to say my way.
Oh,
My way.
Ala, galing.
Happy, happy, happy. Ino.
Yes. What? Slash E dance. Slash E dance. This is so cool. Look, I'm Henry Stickman. Look at my distraction dance. We gotta do something.
You done?
Yeah.
Oh. Only R15.
Mali. You type in wrong.
Yep.
Slash E. Oh, you got to type. E. Send.
Oh, ba't ganun?
Yep.
Ganito lang yun eh. Yung hindi Henry Stickman.
Dahil kasi
May narinig akong parang nagbomba.
pew. Yo, what is this? Oh,
Potion.
turn it. No, clear. We are the people. We are the people. Oh my gosh, no. She's smiling away, by the way back there. Wait, may butas sa taas.
Unknown Leo.
I'll grab the...
Cut.
La, hindi naman ako makapunta.
Noob.
Oh!
I just joined to your server.
Hey, I am stuck.
Stuck.
Hey, pick me up. I'm stuck. I'll burn into ashes if you don't even get up. Now go up. I said up. Thank you.
Francois.
The lava is already rising. Join me, real movie. Okay. Wait. Oh no. Never mind.
Safe.
Yeah. Oh,
May drink yan ah. May ulan? Ayun.
Sana si Kevin. Naging offline si Kevin.
Namali ata siya.
Mababa. Server ko.
Yup.
Mababa. Deadpool. I don't never wanna lock that door. Baby, ba, 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 ba. You wanna be careful. Just another day. Lahat yung kamay. But you may hate me, but it is
Kay
all
Deadpool,
right.
di ba nagre-regenerate yung kamay niya?
Yeah.
Pero ang tagal nun.
Yeah.
Pero buhay pa rin.
But you may hate me, but it ain't no lie, baby, bye, bye, bye.
Naba rin si Deadpool.
Pew!
Dalawa ang dapat yun. Nakaganyan.
Yeah, meron nga siyang dalawang baril. Look. Pew!
Ayun! Ikaw na! Ano? Ayun. Kevin.
Uy, join mo ako, Super Box Edge Defense. We haven't played the game. You may hate me, but
Okay na talaga pag ano. Wait, is this Gorilla Tag? Huh?
But you may hate me, but it ain't no
Nasawa na ako dun.
lie, baby, bye, bye, bye.
Parang maliit na kamay.
But you may hate me, but it ain't no lie, baby, bye, bye, bye.
Sawa na ako dyan sa ano. Sa back mo friend. Sawa na ako dyan.
Anong sawa ka na? Hindi na nga tayo nakalaro eh.
Sawa na nga ako.
We haven't played it for weeks. Even months. Hindi ka pa nga nakakakaroon ng Titan. Eh si Kevin, tsaka ako, nagtag-grind na kami para talunin si Titan Speaker man. Titan Boombox. Wait. Kevin, 789497. Tama ba? Mali. Kevin, 789497. Mali. Kevin, 789479. Tama? Tama. Diyan mo na ako ba?
Real newbie.
Real? Mali. Dapat yung ano ko, username ko. Small hand, POV. Yung mga ibang tao na hindi makanda-regenerate ng ano. What the hell is that?
I'm sorry, this is my hand.
Ang gulit. Tayo lang pala nandito. Okay, let's go to free admin. Here's your cell phone. I will be... Ano, bago na animation ni Titan Boombox. Tingnan mo ba? Look. Ba tingnan mo? Bagong animation. Sira pa rin yung ano, yung speaker niyang isa.
Wala. Hindi ko maano.
Eh dahil kasi Titan Boombox na ako eh.
Okay.
At tingnan mo.
Ang dami na.
But you may hate me, but it ain't no lie. Bye. Eh di sino gagamitin mo? Boss, sino gagamitin mo? Sandbox.
Yep.
Let's go.
Nakatuwa din yung DJ.
Yung
DJ.
toilet.
Hindi mo puti-puti.
Ako, papatayin ko na.
Hello, General
Super DJ or normal DJ?
Normal DJ.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Ow.
Easy. Patay.
I'm lagging.
Next, Super DJ.
I'm lagging.
Mahirap to eh. Joke lang, easy peasy macaroni.
Wala
Ba?
pa rin yung kabila nyo.
Bo, ingat ka dyan sa toy isa box na yun. Sige bo, huwag ka muna gumalaw. Huwag ka gumalaw. Don't move a single inch. Huwag ka magpakamatay ka. Tingnan mo kung anong mangyayari.
Ayoko, mamatay ka agad ako eh.
Makikik ka pala niyan. Sige, patayin ko na lang. You're welcome. Patay ko na. Next are... Pangit mo. Pangit mo, large laser gunner, bla bla bla. Tingnan ko kung kaya ko mag-spawn ng large parasite. Large parasite. Large parasite.
Ayun pala yung pepoyo.
Repolyo, ano yan, yung ano na siya, nakalimutan ko. Nagiging parasite box. Nagiging parasite box lang.
Ow! Naging ano to?
Don't worry, I will kill you.
Yung grappling mo.
Hello, Mr. Small guy. I'll summon someone. Tama na. Ay ko. Diba?
Ang dami! Ang dami! Ang sakit sa tayo.
Ingay. Sayang empower ko neto.
Ganito full life.
Ultra lag. My screen. Sama natin si Titan Speaker Man. Hello, my kind. Mamamatay ka na. Goodbye. Ikaw next.
Oh man. Oh. Ow.
Nakasigaw ko, di ba? Ano ba yun? Ano ba yun, bo?
Ano?
Kaya pala hindi ako namamatay dahil kasi naka-immortal mode ako. Grabe ka, bo.
Yep, amigo.
Ang
Tapos ang tanong ko ay sa iba. Aray! Aray! Putay ako! Nag-install na lang ako, so...
Hindi ako namamatay dahil kasi nakaano ako immortal mode.
Mga bata, hindi pa ba kayo dyan pababa o kakadkarin ka kaya sa lapag?
Meron pa pala ditong isa pang boombox na mapangit. Paano siya nakakalutang?
Sped up? Ano yun?
So, meron tayo ditong dalawang boombox.
Isang timer.
Isang, unupgraded, tsaka isang upgraded. Nandito si hindi upgraded, tsaka si upgraded. Barilin mo kayo, ikaw yung mga magmumukha niyo.
Pangit na. Nag-give na ako. Ginagawa naman lang dyan, ini-effect lang kita eh.
Sure ka ba? Wala, hindi na nga nakakaspawn yung large para sa'yo. Dati napakaganda pa.
Tapos ang dami pang bomba. Nakaasawa na, kaya ayoko naman.
Ano na nalalaroin natin? Naka-screen record pa ako. Naka-screen record pa ako ba? Ano na lang gagawin natin? Naka-screen record pa ako eh. Bo. Bilis, sabihin mo. Anong lalaroin natin? Ano? Zombie pricing?
Oh my god, you said skip falling out. So I'm gonna do this again.
No. Don't do that.
Ganun.
Anong tawag mo dito?
Join ka na, Kit.
Wala ako? Waiting for this magic moment. Hey kid,
Crump. Out. Yep, there we go. Oh my god. Tatanggal. Tingnan mo.
waiting for this magic moment. She's smiling with somebody back then. Sana ka muna. Ay, naku.
Hey, Robloxian, please stay out from zombies.
Be infected.
Zombies. Stay out of the ground. Oh, yep, it started.
I'm here. Let's fill up the course again.
Someone's burger. That's loud.
I'm here at blue.